Looking for an easy and humane way to protect your garden from pesky moles? The Big Cheese Mole Control is your perfect solution. Made with natural plant oils, these refillable granules penetrate deep into tunnels to keep moles away, all while being safe for your family and pets. Just scatter the ready-to-use shaker, water lightly, and enjoy a mole-free lawn all year round. It's simple, effective, and eco-friendly. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you tired of moles ruining your garden? The Repellum Claw Trap is here to help. This highly effective and humane garden mole trap quickly removes moles by catching and killing them instantly, preventing unnecessary suffering. It's easy to set up. Just find Mole Run, set and bury the trap, and it's ready to go. Made from rust-resistant metal, it's reusable and built to last. Repellum is trusted UK brand committed to pest control solutions. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Big Cheese Mole Trap, the ultimate solution for keeping your garden and lawn free from destructive moles. Made from durable, rust-resistant galvanized steel, this easy-to-use trap quickly and reliably eliminates underground pests all year round. Its traditional scissor trap design is simple to set and monitor, providing effective, humane pest control. Reusable and built to withstand all weather conditions, it's the natural choice for lawn mole prevention. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an effective way to keep moles out of your garden? The Defender's Mole Repeller is a powerful tool-action device that uses a 5-second vibration burst combined with a low-frequency megasonic pulse every 55 seconds. It protects up to 1,000 square meters without harming your pets or children. Its weatherproof, high-visibility design makes it easy to spot and safe to use year-round. Simply push it into the ground and let it do the work. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Looking for an easy and safe way to manage underground pests? Meet the Swissino Vole Trap, expertly designed with European engineering for outdoor use. This trap features simple installation. Just locate the tunnel, open the soil, and set it in seconds. Its visible catchy indicator lets you monitor activity without digging up the ground. Safe for your pets and the environment, it works without poison or bait. Protect your garden effortlessly. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an effective way to keep your garden mole-free? The Pest Stop Mole Trap features a traditional tunnel design trusted by professionals with 30% stronger construction for faster results. Its dual entry points give you better coverage, making it perfect for larger areas. Built from rust-resistant metal, it works reliably in all weather conditions and can be reused multiple times. Easy to set, easy to reset. Say goodbye to pesky moles naturally and efficiently. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Nib Mole Repeller, a friendly and effective way to keep moles, voles, and snakes out of your garden naturally. Using high-frequency ultrasonic waves combined with vibration and beeping sounds, it gently repels pests without chemicals or poisons. Solar-powered and weatherproof, it covers up to 460 square meters, ensuring your lawn, vegetables, and flowers stay safe. Easy to install and reusable, it's the perfect humane solution for pest control. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.